Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the Peztio 4K Wi-Fi dashcam. At the time of recording, you could pick this up from Amazon for just under £70. Link in the description box below if you're interested. Okay, let's get it unboxed. Nice presentation there. That's the actual camera. Move that to the side for now. Type-C cable, and that end of course would go into the car cigarette lighter. Also included is a 32GB class 10 micro SD card. Reset pin. They've even put that in a little case as well. That's quite good. A spare sticky pad. Nothing else inside the box. Get some paperwork. Let's open it. Warranty card. Any problem, let them know. You get 1 year guarantee, but you can extend it to 2 years by sharing your excellent shopping experience. Well, share it whether it's excellent or no. You can decide that, of course. Owner's manual. It runs on TimerCam app. It's available for Android and iOS, of course. Onto the actual dashcam. It's got a little sticker there. That's a 3.16-inch screen. Saying the 4K videos recorded by the dashcam need a high-speed SD card, but of course they've included one in, so use class 10 cards. It's important to format the SD card first. Nothing on that side. Power on-off button, micro SD card port, a reset hole there. It's got a pre-applied sticky tape, and this is removable. So if you pull it to the right, it comes off, and you can bring the dashcam inside and leave that in the car. It's a good feature that, and just push it back on. 170-degree lens. It's a speaker there, I think. At the bottom, AV port, Type-C port there. Function buttons here. That's your main menu button. You've got your volume up, volume down. If you short press that, it will turn the audio off. If you long press it, it will turn the Wi-Fi on. And then of course the OK button. Let's have a look at some of the settings on the dashcam. At the top there, it's letting you know it's in movie mode now. WDR, wide dynamic range. Wi-Fi, obviously it's red at the moment because it's off. Date and time there. The top there, it's letting you know how much time it's got to record. 4K 25 frames per second. Audio, SD card. It's flashing because I've just connected it to my power bank. The menu button down here, if I were to push it once, that will go into settings, and then I would use the arrows. Go to playback, video resolution, push OK. 4K 25 frames per second, 2K 30 frames per second, or 1080p 30 frames per second. But I'm leaving it in 4K. Video loop recording, push OK. You've got 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5. I'm going to leave it on 3 minutes. The WDR wide dynamic range, that's on by default. I'll leave it on. Exposure, record audio, push OK. That's off. I'll on that. Motion detection, for that you've got to buy the hard wiring kit, fit into your car, and whenever someone comes near your car it will start recording. When they move away it will stop recording. G-sensor, if you are involved in an accident it will lock the file, it can't get overwritten. And you've got your date stamp. Next page, Wi-Fi, go down, license plate, date, time, auto power off. Let's get it paired up to the app. I've turned the Wi-Fi on of the dashcam. I held the down arrow for 3 seconds. I've downloaded the actual TimerCam app. I'm using an iPhone here, but you are able to, of course, use an Android. Connect to DVR. There's an ad first. That's not really good, is it? Close that. Okay, I need to change my Wi-Fi. It should bring you up, yeah, there we are, car DVR. The password by default is 12345678. Let's put that in. Join. Surprisingly, that was quite simple, that, if it has worked, because I've tried a dashcam like this before and it took a while to get connected. Let's go back to the TimerCam now. And there we are. A quick look at the app then, live preview. We'll go to settings in a bit. I could switch the camera around. That would of course change the position around. Start recording, take a picture, local album, videos and photos, DVR album. Them are the videos that I've got. Event, that's a locked file. Photos, no photos at the moment. Settings, car name, I could change that. Password. Video resolution is on 4K 25 frames per second. I'm going to leave it on that, but you could go all the way down to 1080p. Photo resolution 12 megapixel, that's the highest. I'm leaving it on that. And record time, by default it's on 1 minute. I'm leaving it on 3. That's a loop recording, so after 3 minutes it'll record again, and that will carry on recording until the SD card fills up, and then it will wipe all your old recording and start recording again. Format SD card, factory reset, and DVR. That's it. Nice and simple app. The footage there for £70, you can't go wrong. It's got good image quality. As always, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.